How to fix Windows can't be installed on drive 0 partition 123 problem. So if you want to fix Windows can't be installed on your drive 0 problem or drive O problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply press Windows and F10 key at once to open up your command prompt. It might be different on different laptops, so just go with your command prompt and run your command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes and you will get your command prompt, right? So you just need to simply enter some commands. So the first command goes like DiskPart and hit the enter. And after that, enter the next command, which is list space disk and hit the enter. And here you will have all of the disks. So in my case, I just have one disk. So you need to go with the next command, which is select space disk space the disk name. So I'll just simply go with 0 because I have only one disk. If you have 2 or 3 disks, then you can simply enter your disk name and hit the enter. Now once you selected the disk, you just need to simply enter the next command, which is clean, and then hit the enter and it will clean your disk. And once you go with clean, then you need to enter the next or the last command, which is exit, and then hit the enter. And again, you need to enter exit and then hit the enter because you need to enter exit 2 times. So once you've done with it, now you just need to simply go with OK and you need to install your Windows and it will be installed. So that's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.